Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing great. Today I want to talk to you about my morning rituals. So you might wonder why it is important to know someone's morning routine, right? Well, I am going to tell you how having good habits in the morning will make your whole day better by using the examples of my own life. Before coming to explain my routine, why it is important to know having good habits in the morning. Usually, I am a person like used to wake up at 8 a.m. in the morning and rushing around the house to complete the things before going to office. So in office and home also I feel more stressed. Because of this stress and anxiety, I faced severe health issues like migraine and spondylitis issues. So whenever I'm under medication, most of the doctors suggested me I have to change my lifestyle. So then I decided, so I have to change my lifestyle with good habits. I have to wake up at 5 as early as possible in the morning. So when we decided, most of you have that experience, right? Whenever we watch some motivational videos on YouTube, immediately we decide, okay, I'll wake up at 5 o'clock and I'll do things, this, that and all we will plan to do these things. But that motivation will not stay long time. As per my experience, I saw whenever I decided something, I'll do for 2 days, again I'll come back to the normal position. I'm thinking, oh, you also had that experience, right? So what is important here is rather motivation. Consistency is the main important thing. If you do consistently any small habit also, that will have big impact in your life. So when I decided to do something good in my life, what I did is I have prepared a plan. So first you have to prepare your subconscious mind that whatever we give instructions to our subconscious minds, it will blindly follow. So you have to have that practice of preparing your subconscious mind. So instead of waking up at don't put major targets. I will wake up at 5 o'clock. I'll do 2 hours walking. Don't do like that. Okay. So start with many things. Means if you are waking up at 8 o'clock, try to plan to wake up at 7 o'clock in the first week. So then if you get into the rhythm, then you can slowly decrease your time of sleeping by whatever flexible. The best time to wake up is 5 a.m. So if see that power of 5 a.m. I had experienced that. That's why I'm suggesting you to guys to try to wake up at 5 a.m. and see that magic in your life. So when I started this, initially it's very difficult to follow, but when you decided to do it, you can do it. So like that I decided to wake up at 5 a.m. Now I am seeing that results now in my life. So as I already told you, right, you have to make small habits instead of big ones, right? So initially I targeted to walk for only 15 minutes, because once you do that small habits, then your body and mind will adjust to that. Then slowly you can increase that. Then you can see that major changes in your life. That becomes your second nature. Like this I started 3 minutes of meditation, 20 minutes of walking. And another important thing is reading. If you read the books, it will change your life entirely. So I strongly recommend you to make that as a habit of reading books. Then you can see the difference. So I hope you understand what I want to convey by using this video is the power of habits, morning habits. So please you also start decide what you want to do in your life as a major goals. Start with mini habits that will lead you to the success. Thank you all for watching this video.